Hi, welcome to Luscombe Suzuki Leeds. My name is Patrick, and in this short video I want to show this really nice Suzuki Swift Attitude in red that came in as a result of part exchange. So this Swift is not a standard car, as you've got a black wheel arches to protect your bodywork, and also bumper corners protectors as well. What makes it different from a standard Swift is built-in sat-nav, which was additional to the car. What's more, you've got protectors on the side of the car, just on the bottom, as you can see, and on the front wheel arches and front bumper corners as well. This car comes with full service history, and for your peace of mind, we would do service and MOT before it goes out to a new owner, so you get full peace of mind for next 12 months. So let me show you interior. So for city car, it's quite a big boot, so you can fit in the grocery easily. At the back, as you can see, plenty of legroom even for tall people, and as you can see, interior wise everything is absolutely fine. Same with roof lining. Driver's side, as you can see, doors like new. Driver's seat is absolutely spot on. So let me show you some of car's features. As you can see, it's really low mileage, just below 6,000. To make your journeys easier, you can find automatic lights, so lights will come on and off automatically. Also, you can find adaptive cruise control, so car can maintain the distance from a car in front of you. Let's say if you are on a motorway. There's your sat-nav, and also you've got a reversing camera. So it is quite good spec car, and to make your journeys nicer, you've got air conditioning, so you can keep yourself nice and cool or nice and warm. So as you can see, everything is absolutely fine with this car. So please make sure you watch a technician video appraisal where a Suzuki trained technician lifts car on a ramp, just to show you its condition from underneath, like tires, brakes, suspension, things like that. So please make sure you watch it, and if you want, I can make another video, more personalized one. So my name is Patrick, and I'm looking to hear from you. Cheers, bye.